Hi guys, welcome back to a new YouTube video. Today it's me and
Regarding,
and today we're installing his new carburetor.
yeah, it's a 21mm PHEG carburetor.
We have a new air filter right here, and also how do you call it? I know it in German it's a Pilzfilter, but in English mushroom filter.
Yeah, it's just a fancy
Fancy filter.
Yeah.
You can see here like that. We're gonna put it on a new carburetor.
Yes, and hopefully everything goes to plan, according to plan. Now we're gonna just take off the plastics and show you how we install a new carburetor. So yeah, let's go. So what we did now, we took apart all the plastics, we removed the spark plug. As you can see, it's a little bit too fat. And we took off the variator cover, as you can see down here. Because we need to change the rollers to some new ones. They weren't perfect, like down here are the rollers, exactly. Before we're gonna do that, we're gonna remove the old carburetor, the old airbox, and put in the new. We won't be reusing the electrical choke because it's just shitty. And we have some fancy new stuff coming in. So let's do that right now.
So that's the combobulator. Ach du Scheiße, die Farbbox. Das ist aufgeplottet.
Das ist ein Luftfilter, Bro.
Oh, was ist das?
Also shaking. Hey.
It's shaking. It's shaking.
It's cool, it's the shit is really good.
Great job.
That's oh no, that's the
electrode.
No, that's not the electrical choke. Yeah, that's cool.
Wow.
Ist so nutzlos.
Ja, Hoppa. Ja, Kurve. So, we remove the under.
Yes, massive. Was?
Show them like how we're cleaning the how do you call it?
Spark plug.
Spark plug, exactly. So we're doing it here. Okay, so now we're going over here.
Hey, we gaan spelen.
Some cleaning it. So look, it's like brand new again. Better for tuning. Tuning the carburetor. Like that, it's brand new again. Now we can go to Gigaoni.
So we're gonna quickly remove the carburetor. After we
Carburatore. Il carburatore.
okay.
Il carburatore.
Then just the combobulator and so jiggled out. And gone is a 17.5mm carb with the electrical choke. It's great.
We're throwing this out, this ugly thing, and putting this new thing in. Looks.
Kannst du
Scheiße.
schnell
Ach du
Egal.
Scheiße.
Ja, natürlich, du hast Gemisch, zurück ins Gemisch hin.
You see this? This all dirt. This engine is gonna explode in 2 minutes.
Voll, Bro. Nein, ich tu nur den Rest.
Das ist ein Combo.
Should I put this at 10,000 likes? We're gonna put this spark plug in his tank.
Could you please remove this little bolt here and check what juice is in there?
Of course. How much millimeters? 17, 18?
I don't know.
21.
It's like one.
So new going here. Are you excited to drive your new vehicle? Pimp my ride.
And I'm quickly just gonna remove the gas cable.
What is that? Gas cable.
Yeah, in there.
What does it do?
It gives gas.
What material is it?
What?
What material is it?
I don't know. It's just like. Hoppa.
Het is een uur gevangen.
Oh, shit.
Now we're gonna look that it doesn't fly everywhere. Oh, okay. So till now everything's going according to plan. Till now.
It's like going to be dark in like 5 minutes, but yeah, we're doing it.
Everyone's doing something. What we also need. This is the new choke. It's like manual, and I need to somehow figure out how I connect this cable here to the carb, because I've never done that.
Ik ga precies met zijn eigen, het gewoon met al samen doen.
Oh, what the fuck? So you know what?
Mach's gut.
Shit, Digga. It doesn't work. So, okay, great.
Perfect.
So now let's put in the 95.
Let's run it, boys.
Oh, stay still.
Bei WhatsApp meine Mutter, Mama ist stolz. Alles was ich anfass wird Gold. Papa ist stolz, obwohl ich Scheiße baue die ganze Zeit. Ich hoffe ich werd für immer nicht wer anders sein.
Da tue ich die Schuhe mal ganz überall anstatt, dann können sie nach immer noch anstehen.
Oh, das wird so viel.
Das ist doch etwa so viel doch, oder? Das ist doch etwa so viel, oder? Oder nicht? Oder ohne, oder ohne.
Das ist das Schwierigste am Ganzen, Bro. Das Shit zusammenbekommen.
Vergaser ist das größte Passsachen, aber es ist dafür das Beste.
Was geht, Bro?
Rein. Jetzt ist es richtig. Hebt, zieh mal am Gaszug, zieh mal dran. Ja, gut, also 3, 2.
Jetzt.
Gut, perfekt. Grandios.
You saw in the past few clips that we have been trying forever to install this gas cable. I don't know why we had such issues, but eventually we did it. It was kinda too long or something like that, but we had to move to the garage at some point and we installed it there. We didn't film it, but yeah, we did it eventually. You're gonna see in the next clip how it all worked out. It really was annoying, but yeah.
So guys, we're just finished with the carburetor. We're just doing a professional startup. And you can see this new carburetor, 21 millimeters, with the new air filter right here. Exactly, you can see it here, new air filter, with the new carburetor. And that's just an electronical joke. We don't need that right now.
Yeah, we have replaced it with a normal one, but the cable is kinda too long. So
Yeah, so
we have to do it old school and just pull it out.
yeah. But now we'll do the first start on the bike, and yeah, we're hyped. It's a 90, exactly 95 jet. So let's see. So first kick.
Aber ja, ich kann auch nicht starten.
So guys, we tried kicking it for like 5 minutes, and now we saw the spark plug connector wasn't on, so of course it won't work. So now that's the first startup. We're hyped. Let's go.
Klap op. Dat mag gewoon niet zo.
Guys, it works, and it sounds crazy. Holy, it sounds crazy.
Met het show zit eigenlijk wel goed.
Zo zie je. Ja, kan doen.
Absoluut wel.
Aber es tönt behindert, es tönt viel aggressiver.
How lang is het?
Ja, ja. Holy! Guys, it sounds amazing. Holy, guys.
It's crazy.
That's the new filter right there. So guys, first test ride. Let's see. Ik zie al, het straalt veel.
So we're back in the garage. It's later that day. I was just installing the new rollers because I had some just to adjust it. And as you're seeing now, the Polini rollers, these are the final ones that I'm gonna use. These are 4.2 grams. I also adjusted the choke so I don't have to pull it and that I can use it as intended with flipping the switch. For that I just had to cut the wire a bit and then it was good to go. In the next video you're gonna see how I'm gonna test my aerox. But you can see the beautiful air filter, it's now hidden. I installed everything, the plastics are on already, but as said you're gonna see it in the next video. And yeah, that's everything. Like and subscribe and we'll see you guys in the next video.